Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to talk about why you need one of this. If you have been following me for some time, then you know I use this all the time. This is a crochet ring, yarn tension ring, finger yarn guide. Anyway, there are many names out there. It is a small handy crochet jewelry to keep your yarn at even tension and protects your finger from skin burns. I wrap the yarn around the finger like this. And after a little while, you see a mark on the finger. And this can really hurt. Imagine you have to crochet for hours. But with this, problem solved. If you search on the internet, you'll find many crochet rings in the market. And they all do the same thing. But this is the one I highly recommend. What makes it so special? Because it is handcraft. And I know what my crochet ring is made of. Yes, I get to choose the material I want. I am someone who gets reactions from cheap metals. If I have to buy one from Amazon, then that's a big no-no for me. I recently received this 2-loop, and this works really well when working with 2 different strings of yarn. It keeps your yarn untangled, and it could save you hours of work from separating your yarns. These rings work well on both hands, regardless if you're right-handed or left-handed. And there are many unique items you can check out in this special little shop. The link is in the description box. And that's all for today. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!